Okay, this is a Morse Apollo model 6500. This is a very, very nice machine cosmetically. It's in beautiful shape. It looks like a brand new machine. It has a 1 amp motor. It is all metal, but even though it's all metal, it's lightweight and it's very portable. It's supposed to come with 24 cams. There are 24 designs across the front of the machine, but included with the machine were 12 plus the zigzag cam. Zigzag cam is in it. There's 6 regular and 6 stretch, plus a box full of goodies, and there's pretty much every presser foot in there that you would want. A hammer foot, zipper foot, button sewing foot, a ruffler, a binder, a darning foot. There's all kinds of feet in there. It uses classic 15 bobbins and 15 by 1 needles. Very nice, smooth machine. It has 2 level feed dogs. You cannot drop the feed dogs all the way. You can lower them for silk, or they can be up at normal height. Do a little bit for you here. I do not have a user's manual for this machine, but I did find one on a website, and I will link to that in the description. This does have a stretch adjustment on the back, a dial that adjusts your stretch stitches if you want to lengthen them or shorten them. Very nice machine, smooth, zigzag. Pop in one of the cams. Actually, I just did the cams. So your stretch cams. There's a vine. It's pretty cool. These are all your regulars. You get a scallop. There's a pyramid, a ball stitch, a multi-point zigzag, and a blind stitch. Just went through all those. Let me show you some heavy-duty fabrics. Start with 5 layers of denim. Machine's tabletop ready, or it should fit in any Singer cabinet or carrying case. Deck is the same dimension. 10 layers of cotton poly blend. Is double needle capable. All patterns can be done with double needle. You just have to adjust your width to make sure you're not hitting the presser foot as you're sewing. This is 5 layers of woven upholstery. It does have automatic buttonholer also. Reverse. And it has a high and low gear. Almost forgot to mention that. It's in high gear now. We'll change it to low gear so you can hear the difference. Low gear. Just slows things down a bit. Stitch. And last but not least, we're going to do some leather. This is very flexible leather. This is not the hard, stiff leather. This is not an industrial strength machine. If you want to do knife sheaths and saddles, you need to buy an industrial machine. This is not the one. Now we're in low gear right now. And I'm going to switch back to high gear one more time. Difference. Perfect stitch on 3 layers of leather. That is the Morse Apollo 6500 all metal sewing machine.